Ever felt like you're reading a foreign language when looking at crypto discussions online? Well, you're not alone. The world of cryptocurrency is indeed a complex one, brimming with unique terminologies that can leave even the most tech-savvy individuals scratching their heads. Crypto jargon, as it's commonly known, is a language of its own. It's a blend of tech terms, financial phrases, and unique crypto concepts that can seem daunting at first. But don't worry, understanding this jargon is not as complicated as it might appear. In fact, it's a fundamental part of becoming a seasoned crypto enthusiast. It's the key to unlocking a deeper understanding of crypto operations, and it's what will empower you to navigate this ever-evolving landscape with confidence. In this video, we'll be breaking down some of the most commonly used crypto terms and their simple definitions. By the end of this video, you'll feel more confident navigating the crypto world. First up, let's demystify blockchain. Now, at first glance, the term might seem a bit intimidating, but it's actually quite simple. You see, a blockchain is essentially a type of database. But what makes it unique? It stores information in blocks that are linked or chained together. Imagine a chain of paperclips, each paperclip representing a block of data. As new data comes in, it's entered into a fresh paperclip, or block. Once that block is filled with data, it's linked to the chain, connecting to the block before it. This forms a chain of data blocks, hence the term blockchain. But you might ask, what's so special about storing data this way? Well, this brings us to the heart of what makes blockchain a game changer: its decentralized nature. Unlike traditional databases, which are typically controlled by a single entity, a blockchain is distributed across multiple computers. This means that no single person or entity has control over the entire chain. It's a collective effort, each participant maintaining a copy of the entire blockchain. This decentralization is not just about power distribution, though. It also makes blockchain incredibly secure. You see, to alter any piece of information within a block, one would have to alter every single block that comes after it on the chain, across every copy of the blockchain. This is virtually impossible, making blockchain a secure fortress of information. Now, what's the practical use of blockchain? It forms the backbone of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, enabling secure, transparent transactions. But that's not all. From supply chain management to voting systems, the potential applications of this technology are vast and varied. So, in essence, a blockchain is a secure, decentralized digital ledger. It's a revolutionary technology that's changing the way we store and manage information, creating a world where data is more secure, transparent, and democratic. Speaking of decentralized, what does this term really mean? Let's take a moment to unravel this critical piece of crypto jargon. At its core, decentralization is all about the dispersion of power. It's the distribution of authority, taking it away from a single central body or location. Imagine a city with all its buildings, traffic, and people. Now, instead of one city hall controlling everything, each neighborhood has its own mini city hall. That's decentralization in a nutshell. But what does this mean for the crypto world? Well, in the context of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, decentralization signifies that there's no single entity or organization controlling the blockchain. It's a shared network, and anyone participating has a say in its operation. It's like a digital democracy, where power is spread across the network. So, decentralized means power and control are spread out, not concentrated in one place. Now, what about cryptocurrency itself? Well, let's break it down. At its core, a cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency. Unlike the physical money that we're so accustomed to, you can't hold a cryptocurrency in your hand. It exists purely in the digital realm. But what sets it apart from other digital currencies is the technology it uses: cryptography. This is a method of protecting information by transforming it into an unreadable format, known as encryption. Only those with a special key can decode or decrypt it. In the case of cryptocurrencies, this cryptography is used to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. Now, you may have heard of Bitcoin. This is the first and the most well-known cryptocurrency. It was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. The idea was to create a decentralized digital cash system, free from control by any government or organization. But Bitcoin is far from the only player in the game. In fact, there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies out there, each with their own unique features and uses. Some, like Ethereum, offer smart contract functionality, allowing for complex applications. Others, like Dogecoin, started as a joke but have since gained a serious following. Cryptocurrencies can be bought, sold, and traded on online platforms known as cryptocurrency exchanges. They can be stored in digital wallets and used to buy goods and services where they're accepted. But remember, with their decentralized nature comes volatility. Cryptocurrency prices can swing wildly in a short period of time, and there's always the risk of loss. But for many, the potential rewards outweigh the risks. In a nutshell, cryptocurrencies are secure digital currencies existing in the virtual world. They use cryptography for security, can be used for a range of applications, and offer a level of freedom not found in traditional financial systems. So, cryptocurrencies are secure digital currencies, with Bitcoin being the most famous. You've probably heard of mining in the crypto context, but what does it involve? Well, in the world of cryptocurrencies, mining isn't about pickaxes and gold nuggets. It's an entirely different ballgame. At its core, crypto mining is the process where transactions are verified and then added to the blockchain. Now, let's break this down a bit. Imagine you're in a massive, constantly updating ledger, and this ledger is the blockchain. It's a public, transparent record of all transactions that have ever occurred in a particular cryptocurrency. But how do these transactions get added to the blockchain? That's where mining comes in. Miners, the heroes of our story, use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. Each problem is related to a group of transactions known as a block. Solving the problem verifies the transactions in the block, ensuring they're legitimate and haven't been tampered with. Once solved, the block is added to the blockchain, hence the name. But why would anyone spend time and resources doing this? Well, the answer is simple. Miners are rewarded with cryptocurrency. When a miner successfully adds a block to the blockchain, they're rewarded with a certain amount of that cryptocurrency. This is known as a block reward. It's a bit like a gold rush, but instead of panning for gold, miners are solving puzzles for crypto. It's important to note, however, that as more and more blocks are added to the blockchain, these problems become increasingly difficult to solve. This keeps the process competitive and prevents anyone from monopolizing the system. So, if you've ever wondered why your computer can't just whip up a bunch of Bitcoin, that's why. It's not just about having the right hardware, but also about using that hardware to solve problems, verify transactions, and maintain the integrity of the blockchain. So, mining is the process of validating and recording transactions on the blockchain. And while it might sound like an easy way to get rich quick, remember, it requires a significant investment of time, resources, and computational power. We've covered a lot of ground today, so let's summarize. We've embarked on an intriguing journey through the complex labyrinth of crypto jargon, demystifying key terms and concepts that are integral to understanding this revolutionary digital landscape. We began with blockchain, the backbone of the crypto realm. This is a public digital ledger where transactions are recorded in a secure, transparent, and immutable manner. It's like a giant spreadsheet that everyone can see, but no one can alter retrospectively. The blockchain's robust security and transparency features are what make it a game changer in numerous industries, far beyond just cryptocurrency. Next, we dove into decentralization, an integral aspect of blockchain technology. This concept means that no single entity or authority has control over the entire network. Instead, power and control are spread out among many participants. This decentralization ensures that no individual or group can monopolize or manipulate the system, thereby enhancing security and fairness. Then we explored cryptocurrencies, the digital currencies that operate on blockchain technology. These are more than just digital money. They're programmable assets with built-in rules and conditions, and they represent a new way of transferring and storing value. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and thousands of others fall into this category. Cryptocurrencies have the potential to revolutionize financial systems and empower individuals worldwide. Lastly, we delved into mining. In the crypto world, mining refers to the process of validating transactions and adding them to the blockchain. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems, and in return, they're rewarded with cryptocurrency. This process underpins the security and integrity of many cryptocurrency networks. To wrap it up, these terms, blockchain, decentralized cryptocurrency, and mining, are fundamental to understanding the crypto world. They represent the core mechanics that make cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology so innovative and potentially transformative. Remember, understanding these terms is your first step in mastering the crypto world. Stay curious and keep learning.